after the big board closed last week with a big loss, stocks are seeing a slide to start the week, but not as drastic as Friday's drop. In a quick recap that shocked the global markets, the Dow fell 665.75 points on Friday, or 2.5%, notching its biggest one-day sell-off since June 2016. The S&P 500 had its worst one-day performance since September 2016, and the Nasdaq posted its worst session since August 2017. And this Monday morning, investor woes continued as the Dow was off to another rough start, but as the morning turned into the afternoon, U.S. stocks bounced back from session lows as tech shares mounted a comeback. But the bounce was short-lived, with stocks again in the red. Meanwhile, it's a mute start to the trading week in terms of economic data after ISM non-manufacturing PMI rose to 59.9 from 56. But data does pick up during the week. On Tuesday, we begin down under with the RBA interest rate decision due and expected to remain unchanged at 1.5%, while the U.S. will see the U.S. December trade balance and December JOLTS job openings. On Wednesday, we also start on the other side of the world with New Zealand's Q4 unemployment rate due and expected to remain unchanged at 4.6%. We then move to Europe with the non-monetary policy ECB's meeting scheduled. And in the U.S., December consumer credit awaits. And Thursday, we begin in New Zealand with the RBNZ interest rate decision and press conference. It will also be busy in China with imports, exports, and the trade balance all due. The Chinese trade balance for January is expected to come in at 361.98 billion yuan. But it's the UK that will be the busiest in terms of data. The BOE, Bank of England interest rate decision, is due with the previous read at 0.5%. Also, both the Bank of England's minute and quarterly inflation are scheduled. And Friday kicks off down under with the RBA's monetary policy statement. Then we turn to China as producer prices await. Then it's off to the UK with December industrial production due. Expectations call for a 1% rise year over year. Then in Canada, we will see the release of the nation's unemployment rate, which is expected to remain unchanged at 5.7%. Meanwhile, in the forex market, the dollar is seeing a reversal from an early slide. The euro dollar is turning down, with the pair at 0.39% lower at 124.08, while in commodities, oil prices were also lower, down 0.67% at 65.01. And gold is inching up, rising 0.07% at 1,334.60 a troy ounce. And until next time, from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Olivia Voznenko reporting for ICM Capital.